To find the Irish version of a verb on focloir.ie, search for the form used in English to give an order to one person, make for example, do or go. Comprehensive information regarding the verb can be found on focloir.ie. If you search for the verb make for example, you can click on the word verb beside Jen and you'll find a lot of information about that verb. The past tense is visible when the window opens. It's the default, but you can access the other tenses by clicking on the drop-down list. At the top of the window, the verbal noun appears, genu in this case, as well as the verbal adjective, genta in this case. The first, second and third person forms, singular and plural, are given. Rinnima, for example, I did, I made. Rinnithu, you did, you made. Rinnisha, he did, he made. The interrogative form, anyarnima, did I do, did I make. The negative form, niarnima, I didn't do. And the passive, that's the form used when it's not clear who did, does, or will do something. Renew in this case. For example, renew a number fui effer. The work was done in a hurry. That's the passive form. It's not clear who did the work. And the interrogative form, anyarnu, was it done? And the negative form, niarnu, wasn't done, of the passive are also given. In the drop-down list, all the other tenses can be found, as I mentioned, together with the conditional, the imperative, and the subjunctive moods. If you want to say, I used to make, or I used to go, all you have to do is click on the past habitual in the drop-down list to access that information. And, as we can see, yenin is the correct form. In addition to information about nouns and verbs, information can be found on focloir.ie about adjectives and prepositions as well. The adjective my, for example. Far my, a good man. Ban why, a good woman. Mra mahe, good women. Far wahe, good men. And the comparative, my, good, nis fair, better. And the past tense is ni bear, better. The superlative is fair, the best, and then is fair, the best person. And the past tense form, and then a bear, and then a bear. And the preposition the, for. The various forms can be found here. Dum, did, the, doing, div, dov. So focloir.ie is not only a very useful dictionary, but also an excellent grammar resource.